Qorvo's IoT Dev Kit Pro is a complete IoT evaluation and development kit that includes a connected device and gateway. All hardware components, software, tooling, and documentation are included to ensure customers can run reference applications in minutes. This kit provides a networking capability for all the IoT standards, including Matter. The included QPG7015M enabled gateway serves as a connectivity hub for your IoT devices. Built around Qorvo's QPG7015M IoT transceiver, it supports border router capability for Matter, Bluetooth, and Zigbee functionality, featuring Qorvo's unique Concurrent Connect communication technology. This multi-standard gateway bridges network communication between your Wi-Fi and IoT devices. The QPG7015M SoC resides on the radio board, which is connected to a Raspberry Pi inside the Gateway Dev Kit. The Raspberry Pi acts as the main processor of the gateway, running the IoT applications, and can be accessed by developers for software development and application prototyping. The entire IoT Dev Kit Pro provides superior communications, leveraging Qorvo's uniquely patented Concurrent Connect technology. With Concurrent Connect, you're empowered with hardware to create differentiated, reliable products for all IoT applications. Customers will quickly recognize how Concurrent Connect technology just works, providing multi-radio and multi-channel capability, coexistence, and antenna diversity, regardless of use case, simplifying product development. The IoT Dev Kit Pro also includes a connected device, so you can build several IoT solutions, and by default comes configured as a Matter device. Matter connectivity can be quickly evaluated by simply scanning the generated Matter QR code. This allows a smartphone to set up a secure connection over Bluetooth. Then, the Matter network information can be shared between the smartphone and IoT devices. The connected IoT device joins the Matter network using Thread through the QPG7015M border router. The QPG7015M border router enables communication with both Thread and Wi-Fi enabled Matter devices. For example, a Matter motion sensor turns on and off a Matter light bulb using the multi-standard gateway, leveraging Concurrent Connect technology. Ultimately, the IoT Dev Kit Pro allows you to quickly develop and create your own unique next-generation IoT device solutions for your end customers' needs. For more information and ordering options, go to Qorvo.com or visit Qorvo's IoT Dev Kit webpage. For more tools, technical blogs, and ebooks, visit Qorvo's Design Hub. We're your partner for the toughest design challenges.